Hey everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're hitting the road and heading to the stunning coastal town of Sesimbra, where the sea meets the soul. Buckle up, it's going to be a beautiful ride. Sesimbra is a picturesque coastal town located in the Setúbal district of Portugal, about 40 kilometers south of Lisbon. It sits at the foot of the Serra da Arabida mountain range, facing the Atlantic Ocean, and is part of the Costa Azul, Blue Coast, region. Geographically, Sesimbra is nestled between dramatic cliffs and lush hills, offering a unique blend of beachfront beauty, natural parks, and historic charm. Its location makes it a popular getaway for both locals and tourists seeking sun, seafood, and serenity. As we descend toward the coast, the architecture shifts. Whitewashed homes with terracotta roofs, tiled chapels, and charming plazas blend old-world beauty with seaside serenity. It's a journey through time, where every stone and shadow adds depth to the story of Sesimbra. As we glide along the coastline, notice the turquoise waters lapping against golden sands. The cliffs above, rugged and proud, cradle the village like a secret kept by nature. Praia do Ouro and Praia de California, two beaches that shimmer like jewels, are beloved by locals and travelers alike. The beach is alive with color and comfort. Rows of umbrellas flutter gently in the breeze, offering shade to sunseekers lounging in cozy chairs, soaking in the warmth of the Portuguese sun. Many of these spots offer outdoor seating right on the sand, perfect for a sunset meal or a midday snack. Locals recommend the arroz de marisco, a rich seafood rice dish, and of course, the fresh catch of the day. The hospitality here is warm and genuine, with smiles as bright as the sun overhead. Along the promenade, a line of charming restaurants and cafes beckons. From rustic seafood taverns to modern beach bars, there's something for every taste. The scent of grilled sardines and garlic prawns drifts through the air, mingling with the salty breeze. You can sit with a chilled drink, watch the tide roll in, and savor the flavors of the Atlantic.